This Jeep driver pulls out in front of a biker in the middle of the road, almost causing a serious accident, and then the Jeep driver road rages to the extreme and is shocked that the biker is upset. Watch what happens.
What the
Where are you going?
You're in the middle of the road!
No, it's a U-turn.
Then wait! Then wait!
Hit my truck again.
Dumb, dude, what the
You want to ride your
right here, bitch? I got this, dude.
camera. Take your camera. You hit my truck.
Because you almost killed me.
Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going.
Did he really just say that?
Watch where you're going.
I'm going straight.
I was making a U-turn, bitch.
That Jeep idiot was 100% at fault. The biker was going straight, and this idiot, he was the one who should have been looking, not the biker. The biker was going straight. You can see just how casually he pulls out, not even bothering to look at all. What a moron.